Welcome to this tutorial on how to configure game zones and their benefits within the ERP system. Proper game zone configuration helps organize gaming activities, manage player capacity, and improve the overall gaming experience within the platform. In this session, you will learn how to set up game zone details, define capacities, and describe the benefits associated with each zone effectively. Let's get started. Scroll down to locate game zone, or use the search bar to find it. Then click Game Zone to open the module. Select System Setup to open the game system configuration options. Click the Create button to start creating a new game zone within the Game Zone section. Enter the zone name on the text field to name your zone. Add a description to the description text field to add details about the game zone. Set your game status to either active or inactive. In our case, we are using Acti. Use the capacity field to specify the maximum number of participants allowed within the game zone at a given time. Once all the required details have been completed, click the Create button to save and finalize the new game zone within the system. Navigate to Game Benefits to manage the advantages associated with the game zones. Use the Create button within the Game Benefits section to add and configure a new game benefit in the system. Use the provided text field to describe the benefits of the game zone, helping users understand its features, advantages, or overall gaming experience. Once all the required game zone details have been entered, click the Create button to save and register the new game zone within the system. And that's a wrap on configuring game zones within the ERP system. You've just learned how to set up and manage game zones, define capacities, and organize gaming environments effectively within the platform. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.